to look around, specifically the breed that we really stocked up is called Sanen. And why we're doing Sanen is because it's the queen of milk, very rare to find. And mature Sanen is able to produce between 5 to 6 liters. So we've been basically stocking them for breeding purposes, but of course for milk. And our end goal is probably maybe to make yogurt out of that milk. Yeah, but it takes time to breed, takes time to get the right genes, and it takes time to even get them there. So you can come visit and see these good breeds that we have. And of course, the mightiest of them all is Billy. Good.